AGM, 20th of August. There's always an excitement around the AGM. Why? Because the Ambani family in the past has used the AGM to make big launches, to make big announcements, to talk about project launches. Jio was launched there. The oil discovery was announced that time. The capacity expansion in terms of the refinery was announced there. So Reliance AGM is coming after the Jio financial price discovery has happened. So I think from an AGM standpoint, the speech, which is always of immense curiosity, markets are of the view that what else could come in the AGM speech, given that we already have got a big price discovery which has happened in the Jio. But Reliance is Reliance, you never know what they could actually spring in. If you look at the contours of the annual report, I guess the annual reports, even though there is granularity in terms of whether new energy capex is moving, one thing I think is evident, that for next couple of years, the Reliance mega capex is only going to increase, which means that Reliance is going to be in a capex cycle. And now that is the challenge, because when Reliance is in a capex cycle, the stock historically is always underperformed. And that is something which markets would be cognizant of. So in terms of the AGM excitement, it will be there. In terms of an annual report takeaway, it is about new energy. And in terms of where the capex cycle of Reliance would move, and see in terms of the stock performance, well, I mean, the long-term shareholders, they should be mighty excited that what was not expected a year ago, which is Reliance Jio Financial Services, they already have got that share. But if you frankly ask me, my gut call, just as a gut, it should be around financial services. That is the new kid on the block, and everybody wants to know about it. Reliance has never been in financial services. You know that they can handle energy, they can handle Jio, they can handle sectors which have energy.
But is it going to be that Jio moment in financial services is the question?
No, Avan, I'll tell you why. Because the financial services is too large. Jio was more like a disruptive launch where you had scale, size, technology, and you were able to change the law of the telecom sector. The financial service per se is very large for anybody to do any kind of a disruptive move. Of course, they will have an advantage because of size, scale, reach, connection, the Jio platform. So they will come up with perhaps plethora of services which may shake out the distribution, which may challenge the reach, which may enable them to reach every pin code. But in terms of will they start lending at a lower rate? Will they start doing something which is going to change the rules and the rates? I doubt.
Yeah.